Cathie Wood said no one will be able to buy Cardano after the 16th day of May. What's the truth behind this claim? This and more will be answered in this video, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. Here we will talk about Cathie Wood's viewpoint on cryptocurrency and her assessments of the potential of Cardano and what the future holds for this industry. She offers a truly unique perspective on ADA that will have implications for the availability of the ADA token in the future. Before we get started, let's take a look at where the crypto market stands today. Well, it looks as though the crypto market is rallying as many major cryptos are currently showing a positive trend. In contrast, the price of Cardano has been trending downward for the past week and currently stands at around 95 cents of a dollar. According to the latest market cap figures for the second week of April, Cardano is currently the 8th largest coin. And as we all know, after reaching an all-time high of $3 in September 2021, Cardano has been on a downward trend. This could eventually result in crypto analysts and investors dismissing ADA and claiming that it is doomed to fail. The decline has, however, been slowing out in recent months, confirming Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson's statement that the company aims for long-range objectives. Though the updates to Cardano's blockchain have taken longer than expected to gain traction, it seems that they are beginning to do so. But it is highly expected that a rally and a comeback for Cardano could very well occur soon. So now the following is Cathie Wood's assessment of crypto and the industry, and a look at what she sees in store for the crypto coins and ADA over the coming years. Cathie Wood is one of the most trusted people in the crypto world, so a lot of you may be wondering if she matters. And it is no secret as well that most individuals have a strong opinion regarding cryptos, but are either misinformed or do not have an in-depth understanding of the technology. But that is not the case with Wood. This is because Wood has earned a reputation as a multi-million-dollar crypto investor. Before becoming a portfolio manager and managing director, she worked extensively in the financial industry as an economist and an analyst. Then her next move was to co-found a hedge fund and ultimately become the chief investment officer of an asset management company where she managed $5 billion in assets. On the other hand, as a result of her ideas and disruptive innovations being rejected as too risky, she left for ARK Invest, where she has been serving as the CEO and COO since 2009. Besides that, she is a famous stock picker whose flagship innovative fund was the biggest performing U.S. equity fund in 2020. Thus, it is clear that she has an excellent sense of spotting the potential of digital assets and new innovative technologies. Even though many investors believe cryptos cannot be viable, Cathie Wood is not one of them. She had long been among those who supported the technology. Moreover, her investment company owns more than $1.5 billion worth of shares in Coinbase. Also, she made headlines when she predicted that Bitcoin would reach $500,000 at some point. Then, over a year ago, a high-profile conference took place called The B Word, at which Cathie Wood, Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and the founder of Twitter and Square all spoke. All three have an unwavering admiration for cryptocurrency, and although Wood and Dorsey are big supporters of Bitcoin, Wood is especially enthusiastic. If Bitcoin can reach such heights, that will mean a very big rise for the crypto market in general. Considering that Wood has staked her career and reputation on finding investment opportunities for her fund, her opinion is certainly one to consider. After all, she has a superb track record of predicting the future. However, if she is right and businesses continue diversifying their cash and institutional investors begin choosing Bitcoins as their primary investment, then that's what will happen. In 10 years, the price should be tenfold what it is now. Furthermore, Wood was quoted as saying institutions are moving forward to a certain extent in another interview. The correlation of this asset class is also very different compared to other asset classes, and there is a need for institutional investors to think about new asset classes that are evolving and have low correlations. In the context of asset allocation, that is the holy grail. The long-term potential of crypto is something that Cathie Wood believes strongly about. Despite the differences in the market shares, the cryptocurrency market has a clear platform as a whole based on the trend set by Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin price fluctuates often in tandem with the price movement for cryptocurrencies as a whole, the price movement of Bitcoin often reflects that of the market. Therefore, it's likely we'll see an increase in the value of other crypto coins, and that is, of course, assuming Wood is correct. Moreover, despite her track record, there is no guarantee here, but it is certainly possible. There are certainly plenty of crypto coins that are unlikely to last a long time, so it is impossible to say that all crypto is worth the same. As with other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin has issues. Musk highlighted this during the Bitcoin mining process, since mining consumes a large amount of fossil fuel, and even suspended the use of Bitcoins for Tesla transactions. Despite this, Musk also praised crypto as a great idea on many levels and believes it is headed for an exciting future. In addition, he said that we would take a look at other crypto coins with less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy consumption per transaction, and we are hoping that Cardano is one of these coins. Further, Musk's move reflects investor pressure to adopt environmentally sustainable practices in the corporation's operations and concern about climate change. Meanwhile, it is said that the high energy consumption required for Bitcoin mining could be Bitcoin's Achilles heel, despite its many positive aspects. Musk himself stated in that context that the focus is going to be on energy-efficient cryptos. The shift in momentum could help crypto coins like Cardano, which are highly energy-efficient, gain in popularity. Thus, for crypto investors, including those who invest in Cardano, it is an exciting time. Considering the rise of Dogecoin, which was treated as a joke not too long ago, it is not unreasonable to think a crypto coin featuring energy efficiency such as Cardano would be an attractive coin to Elon Musk. Since a tweet from him is enough to send a stock soaring or crashing, getting the nod from him could propel the price of ADA skyrocketing. Although such recognition may never occur, the development of energy-efficient altcoins, in conjunction with advocates like Cathie and Elon Musk, make it clear that investors in crypto coins will see excellent returns on their investments. As a result, Bitcoin miners will have to wait for many years before these energy sources become available. As long as this is not the case, energy-efficient crypto coins such as Cardano and Dogecoin will have an edge. Considering so many notable investors are bullish on Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and crypto as a whole, it is reasonable to assume that a massive increase in these top coins will have a ripple effect on their exchange rates. Ultimately, the prices of the top 10 coins may skyrocket, thus fueling demand and resulting in scarcity of these coins. It is possible that a meteoric rise in the price of cryptos in the future will make it difficult for people to buy them. Although it's difficult to predict, there is no doubt that the price of these coins is going to grow considerably in the coming months. In addition to them, Edward Snowden is also bullish on Cardano. We all know that Snowden is an American who worked for the CIA as a computer intelligence consultant and performed work for the NSA. In addition to resigning from his job, he flew to Hong Kong, where he revealed numerous surveillance programs conducted by the NSA and other governments and telecommunication companies that were based in Europe. And upon being charged with espionage by the U.S. government, he fled to Russia, where he was granted asylum. It's worth considering Snowden's perspective on cryptocurrency, especially Cardano, because he's been privy to the inner workings of the government. Further, his warnings are certainly a cause for concern. As he explained in an interview, capital B, or Bitcoin, will one day disappear. But as long as there are people out there who want to transfer cash without banks, cryptocurrencies will likely remain valuable. As Snowden indicates, governments are likely to crack down on major cryptos one day to maintain their grip on banks. Moreover, he used to do surveillance work at a very high level in the government, and right now, with the crypto market, we are seeing that very thing take place. This would mean that people would not be able to access major cryptos, such as Cardano, in the future. Even so, it appears that he also believes that cryptos of some sort will exist as long as there is demand for them. However, Snowden is a big fan of cryptocurrencies like Cardano, which are poised to take off in the future. Thus, once Cathie can see the potential and applications of Cardano and begins to consider investing in the ADA token soon, then the price will rise exponentially until there is no more ADA on sale after May 16th. As an investor in ADA, I know you're hoping for the same thing. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.